Hey guys, welcome back to Toyota Beasley. It's Captain Kyle again. I hope everybody's having a good holiday season so far. Kind of want to do a quick one today and just run over some things that can be some confusion, but also some surprise to new people. So one of the big questions we get outside of what's your warranties is what kind of maintenance do you guys, what kind of maintenance is there that comes with these cars? Well, there's kind of two answers to that. One thing that comes straight from factory, straight from Toyota, about our whole product line, it's kind of an umbrella, is our 2 years or 25,000 miles, which is Toyo Care. That's going to cover your oil changes, your tire rotations, your filters and fluids for that time allotted. That is for every vehicle, like I said. There is another thing that can confuse people sometimes called Toyota Guard Platinum. Toyota Guard Platinum is also an additional 2 years, and that does stack on top of the original 2 years. So what it creates is a 4-year or 45,000 mile complimentary maintenance service. That's kind of following the book there is 10,000 miles for oil changes and 5,000 miles for tire rotations. And every time you come in, they're checking for the little stuff, making sure your filters are good, making sure everything's topped off and checked off. So really just wanted to make it a quick one. Like I said, I do get some confusion like that. A lot of brands are offering different things. But yeah, come and see us, guys. There's a lot of things that come with these cars, as well as the great service you guys expect every time. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great Christmas. But if I don't see you again, have a good rest of your night.